What's up, babies? It's girl BG back with another hair tutorial. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to do a glueless wig. So you're going to start off by needing your wig. This is a 12-inch straight wig from WorldNewHair. If you're interested in the hair deets, please check the description down below. I decided to sew an elastic band onto the wig because I feel like it makes it easier with doing a glueless wig install, but you can still make it happen without one. To start off, what you'll need is some mousse, alcohol-free to be exact. With alcohol, you can use any percentage, but I prefer 99. It doesn't really matter though. And your lace wig necessities such as rat tail combs, razors, and edge control brushes. You're going to start off by just taking the alcohol and getting a good wipe down on your edges. Make sure you wipe off all the oils and anything that might cause the wig to not stick. Bitch, that shit was burning, child. You can grab a nude cap or a cap that's close to your skin tone because we're not molding it down, babe. We just putting it on and making it match. Also place some foundation within your cap. This is also a little hack that I learned from Erica J. Babe, I don't really know the reason why she do it, but just do it. I think it works. After adjusting my cap, I go ahead and grab my edge control brush, my mousse, and scissors so I could go ahead and cut off the lace. It's better for it to be a little bit more on the jagged side, but whether or not you decide to cut it straight across, it all depends on how you use the mousse and where you decide to put your baby hairs. After adjusting the wig on my head, I go ahead, I grab my edge control brush, and I take out enough to where it's thick, but it's not too much to where it's too unnatural. When pulling out your edges, I feel like the easiest way to do it is in a half circle. Don't worry too much about how long or short you choose to cut your edges because you're going to have to alter it regardless. As you go on with the install, it's going to look better, maybe shorter, maybe longer, maybe not at all. So that's the only thing about that with glueless wigs. Babe, this is the fun part. You're going to just go ahead and grab your mousse and put it all up over your head, put it within the lace, put it on the hair, put it all over. It's gonna get very messy, but it's worth it. As you begin to do that, you're going to start taking the edge control brush and just molding the hairs the best way you can. This is when you'll find out whether or not your baby hairs are too long. I would prefer to use a scissors when trying to fix the length of the baby hairs because it's way easier. This razor thing, not my best friend, as you can see, purr. Once you feel like you got the edges the way you want them to look, just go ahead and grab your an elastic band or a satin wrap to place onto your edges and just hold them there. I'm not gonna lie, y'all, I had this on my head for like an hour because I had to run some errands, but you'll see how it looked after I took it off. Just a heads up, I would rather for you to style your hair while you have this wrapped around your edges because it will hold the wig down. As you guys know, we did not use any glue. So this wig is not secured.
5 minutes later.
Don't be expecting my edges to look raw. Just know as soon as I take this wrap off my head, it's gonna look a little crazy. But the thing is about that, we gonna fix it up a little bit after. Per. What I tell you? I decided to go ahead. I took a dime size, barely anything of Gorilla Snot just to fix these edges because it was pissing me off. And voila. All in all, this probably would have taken me about less than 45 minutes. Y'all get the picture of how to do this. I hope you guys enjoyed the video. Please like, share, comment, subscribe. If you're interested in this hair, please check the links in the description down below. I love you guys. Thanks for tuning in. BG out.